All right, kind of a unique one today, but I'm gonna turn the camera. This is the air intake manifold. This guy blew off, so I put it back on, and this, I think there's like a plug missing here, because when I start the car, it sucks in like a vacuum. And I don't see any other attachment to this thing. And yeah, so I think this was plugged and it just blew out. Somehow it got removed. So I'm gonna cap this, because it just doesn't seem right to have this sucking in air when the air intake is supposed to do that through the filter. So I got some vacuum caps. So I'm gonna take this off and put a vacuum cap over that. Yeah, so this one looks about the right size. Yeah, so I'm gonna slide this on. Okay, it's capped. Now I'll see how the car sounds when I start it. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Start her up. Ooh, ooh. All right. See how everything sounded. So I put on that cap. Seems to be doing okay. That cap's on, doesn't matter. Alright, dipstick's in. Let's take her for a drive. Freaking tree sap all over this thing. Yeah, once I start driving, that check gauges goes away. See, look, that goes away. Everything's good. Yeah, still not going into second gear. So I'm gonna try that transmission slip stuff.